Ka Cabinet nen kesngi kala Jingmynjur ka draft Meghalaya Power Policy ajar apusau haba kren shekinong patai khubor Menteri Ketnat Boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal ula ong baka Cabinet kala yatai sani bahah lo karukom trekam bethamai jong Ketnat Boarding bat baka ne karukom bethamai kan pen bahah ya ka jing pen kre ka bapaka ka baya day bat ka jing don ya ki power plan bat ka jing pen mi ya ka boarding ka thumuru ban thau ban pen ne pen sa bat ban penyai baik ya renti ya ka kam ha ka por balabu bat ka jing sam boarding ka bapahu kenang ban pen bahah syu ya karukom sam boarding bat ban penduna ya ka jing lut kesan ka ban bat ban pelong ya ka karukom ka ban suk ban pendon kam na ka benta gi pat ba nadu karukom sam ya ki belait ki jing ujor ha ka baya day bat ka jing thang ya ka boarding bat kumta terter.
Some new addition is there, as you are aware that our earlier power policy was not having anything called palm storage project. We have a little bit changed the criteria for solar energy as per the requirement of our renewable power purchase obligation, and then we are also encouraging the investor to come to the state so that new power projects come. These are the basic things that we have added.
8 to 10 years or so, because these some of the projects are long gestation period projects, especially the hydro part. It requires a lot of environmental clearances and all those things. We for ourselves have set up some targets, like for example, in terms of hydro, the additional capacity, we have kept a target of around 300 megawatt. Part of it we are targeting through the second phase of Jingmynjur. Obviously, TPRs are almost towards the finalization, and with this policy, we now aim to find out a prospective partner. If the state government is not taking it on its own, this policy gives the flexibility to the state government to get partners or the joint ventures either with the central PSU or any other private player who gives the best deal as per the norms of this policy.